Welcome to Yokdong Fox. Here are season names Fox. Yinchuan barbecue restaurant explosion. How can one-man government avoid similar problems? On Wednesday night, 21st, a large explosion occurred at the chain barbecue restaurant Fuyang Barbecue in Yinchuan, the capital of Ningxia Autonomous Region, killing at least 31 people. The local police initially suspected that the accident was caused by a leak of LPG tanks. Under one-man government, responsibility for regulating the safety of gas applicants would fall to a third-party regulator. However, third-party agents are not governments and cannot issue license or prohibit unsafety restaurants from operating. And the restaurants can also prohibit inspection by third-party agents. However, citizens can choose whether to eat at restaurants without certification based on the evaluation of third-party agents. It is irresponsible to entrust your safety to others. Giving up one's right to choose to others is also an act of ineptitude. The best way to do this is to leave the restaurant safety information or safety ranging to citizens' discretion. The safety information do not need to be too complicated, but the time and the safety rating of the safety inspection must be in a prominent position. Safety rangings must be time limited and expire is invalid. Maybe you are worried that the third-party regulator will neglect their duties and accept bribes from restaurants. But as long as we allow market to compete freely, third-party regulators must be maintain a good name in order to survive in the competition. Once the reputation of a third-party regulatory agent is in question, the safety ratings of all restaurants certified by these third-party agents will be in question and even evaluated. Other reputable third-party agents can take their place. On the contrary, if you use the government to regulate full administrative monopoly, government officers can sit rank and accept bribes. The most heinous thing is that the government made a mistake and no one was punished.